Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to power off on Realme C61. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. I want to turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Yep, you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button. This is the volume up button and the power button together like this. You will see that the power off menu appears. And here you can power off your phone very easy. By the way, you can turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button. But we have to activate the settings first. Open your settings menu. And then go to System. Open System menu. Next, you open Press and Hold Power button. You click it. In this Select a Function, you choose Power menu. Tap on this. And now, you can power off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Yep, successfully, and you can power off or restart your phone now. I want test to power off. Yep, successfully. And if you want to turn on, you can push it long on the power button like this. Wait a minute, your phone has been turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.